cook is hot. Ooh, she's on fire. Hey, she's on fire. Yup, yup, she's on fire. The cook is hot. Hey, 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 the cook is hot. What's up, homies? We're gonna make us some crunchy coconut shrimp. It's like a sweet and spicy dish. You're gonna have some spicy sauce to go with it. Starting off here, just trying to butterfly the shrimp. What you want to do is turn them over, cut down the center, and remove the vein. Removing the vein when you butterfly shrimp, I think it makes the shrimp look better. It's optional to remove the vein, but when you butterfly them, it looks a lot better. Okay? So you saw the ingredients that we use. If you want to, or if you don't consume alcohol, you can get the pina colada without alcohol, the non-alcoholic pina colada. So this is coconut shrimp. Just keep on watching. A lot of it is just self-explanatory. So this that I'm using is cornstarch. This is not flour. This is cornstarch. I'm smothering it over the shrimp so that I can coat it well. This is going to help it maintain the coconut as well as the breadcrumbs without so much fall off. So what you see me doing here is pouring some of the pina colada into a bowl. I'll add all the coated shrimp to this, and then I'll let it sit for a while, mix it around, and then I'll put them back and coat them again, and then put it back into the mixture. Here I'm showing you where some of the spices fell off into the pina colada mix. It'll be a sweet and spicy shrimp, as I stated. Now watch closely as I show you how to pat the shredded coconut onto each shrimp. You're going to pat it on there, then you're going to sit it down, and I'll speed it up so that you can see me doing all of them. Take one, pat the shredded coconut on there, and then sit it down. This is a bowl that has breadcrumbs in it. So now you want to take the shrimp that's already coated in coconut, and what you want to do is coat it with breadcrumbs, and then we're going to sit it back onto the cutting board so that we will later refrigerate it. So just take each one, stick it in the breadcrumbs, cover it thoroughly, and then shake off the excess and sit it on the cutting board. Now that everything's coated with breadcrumbs and coconut, we're going to refrigerate it for about 5 minutes. This helps the coating from falling off.
5 minutes later.
Now just fry it until it's golden brown. This shouldn't take more than 4 minutes. Flip it over when you see it, because the temperature is up high. I want to get a nice crunch to it, and I also don't want to have a lot of fallout. Now this part is optional. I think a sweet shrimp tastes really nice with a spicy sauce. So I'm adding some sriracha sauce, pretty spicy, and then also some sweet chili sauce. Mix it together using mayonnaise, and then you will have a spicy sauce to dip the coconut shrimp in. Some people like a sweet on sweet, but I like the sweet and spicy. It gives it a lot of flavor in your mouth, honey.
A few moments later.